I'm assuming we're wounded together forever. I want you to get better. I'll be your band-aid. I'll be your band-aid. I'm assuming your bruises could mean you're into cruising, and I don't really do this, but I'll be your band-aid. I'll be your band-aid. Will you fix me with your heart of gold? My angel is a centerfold, and she comes with paper cuts and all, but she's just what I've been looking for. Will you be my little quick fix? Cause I just dealt with sick shit. My last thing ended quick, so I've got no one to sit with. And I was wondering if you were wanting to come through. Do you? I don't need you, you don't need me. I let you know before you leave that all I need's a bag of weed, just something chill, some company. When everything gets serious, I just get delirious and blue. And you say you do too. So let's patch up all our problems with band-aids and some shots of whiskey or some wine or whatever we've got lots of. Cause we're both going through it, so we should probably do it. I know the day you leave me will be better off, believe me. I'm assuming we're wounded together forever. I want you to get better. I'll be your band-aid. I'll be your band-aid. I'm assuming your bruises could mean you're into cruising, and I don't really do this, but I'll be your band-aid. I'll be your band-aid. We're moving so fast, and you've got your past. We're not built to last, this too shall pass. But all good things end eventually. I wish you the best. You leave my bed, you came like you left. It's on to the next, cause all good things end regretfully. I'm assuming we're wounded together forever. I want you to get better. I'll be your band-aid. I'll be your band-aid. I'm assuming your bruises could mean you're into cruising, and I don't really do this, but I'll be your band-aid. I'll be your band-aid. Maybe one day or Sunday we could cop a one-way. I'll see you on the runway. I'll be your band-aid. I'll be your band-aid. I know that I'm the one that you miss, even though I'm not the one that you kiss. Reminisce, reminisce, reminisce. Status present when my senses dismissed. You gave me all these memories, but now you're just a memory. Everything you do is addicting as fuck, so everything I do is I miss you as fuck. And everything you do is so distant as fuck, so everything I do is just resist you and fuck. But not everything that passed me. Matter of fact, I just let one pass me, cause I was daydreaming of you so nasty. Guess that's why they call me Poppy Nasty. Don't you get it, don't you get it? I'll meet you in my daydreams if you with it. Yeah.
Nowadays I wanna see you in my daydreams. 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 Nowadays I wanna see you in my daydreams.
light, way before the dark. And you always see the end, way before the start. I've been trying and finding that things going right aren't as simple as everyone told me they would be. I know that you miss me, I'm sorry I'm busy and don't make the time for the things you ask from me. Out of breath, out of time, is it your turn, is it mine? I can't sleep tonight, I can't sleep tonight, no. Is it fine if we find that in time this isn't right? I can't speak tonight, I can't speak tonight, no. Just make me feel special.